Today I shall start exercise 3.5. First question. Which of the following equations has unique solutions, no solutions or infinitely many solutions? In case of unique solutions, find out the values by cross multiplication method. This is another method. First question. Equation x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, and second equation 3x minus 9y minus 2 equal to 0. At first we have to understand it is what type of equation. Now a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3, 1 by 3. b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 9. That is minus minus cancel and 1 by 3. And c1 by c2 equal to minus 3 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel 3 by 2. Since a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. So, equations have no solution, and in case of no solution you don't proceed. Okay. Now another question. 2x plus y equal to 5. You can write it in this way: 2x plus 5 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, and 3x plus 2y equal to 8. You write 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. Equation 2. Now a1 by a2 equal to 2 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to 1 by 2. These two ratios are different. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. In this case c1 by c2 the ratio don't take out. Now it is unique solution because a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Since the equations have unique solution, so we have to proceed. Now write down at first the value of a1 a2's. a1 equal to 2, a2 equal to 3, b1 equal to 1, b2 equal to 2, c1 equal to minus 5 and c2 equal to minus 8. Now by cross multiplication method, the formula of x and y are x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now you put the values from here. b1 equal to 1, c2 equal to minus 8. It is minus, so I have written it within bracket, and then minus b2 equal to 2 and c1 equal to minus 5. Keep in bracket. And again a1 is 2, b2 is 2, a2 is 3 and b1 is 1. Now by calculation you will get minus 8 and minus minus plus 10, and here 4 minus 3. So 10 minus 8 2 by 1 2. Okay. And now y. The formula of take out y is c1 a2 minus c2 a1 and by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This formula is very easy to remember. At first to look here, b1 c2, x equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Okay, just opposite, and denominator is always, in case of x and y, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay. Now you put the values. c1 is minus 5, a2 is 3, minus c2 is minus 8 and a1 is 2. And here also 2 into 2 minus 3 into 1. So minus 15 plus 16 by 4 minus 3. 16 minus 15 1. 1 by 1 1. Okay. Now x equal to 2 and y equal to 1. Now next question. There are also two equations, 3x minus 5y equal to 20 and 6x minus 10y equal to 40. Now, at first you write in this way: 3x minus 5y minus 20 equal to 0 and 6x minus 10y minus 40 equal to 0. Now a1 by a2 equal to 3 by 6, that is half. b1 by b2 equal to minus 5 by minus 10, that is also half because minus minus cancel. And c1 by c2 equal to minus 20 by minus 40, that is also half. So all the ratios are same. So since a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, so equations have infinitely many solutions. In case of only unique solution, you have to proceed, otherwise you stop the problem, because no solution will be you can take out, because equations have infinitely many solutions. Okay, now another question. X minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0. So a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 equal to minus 3 by minus 3, that is 1. So the ratios are different, so no need to find the ratio of c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. So equations have unique solution. Now you write down here a1 equal to 1, a2 equal to 3, b1 equal to minus 3, b2 equal to also minus 3, c1 equal to minus 7 and c2 equal to minus 15. Now you write the formula. By cross multiplication method, x equal to, your formula you try to remember, it starts from b and b after c, so b1 c2 minus b2 c1, and by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. You b1 c2 all the digits are in minus, so always you write it within the bracket. Then minus 3 minus 15 minus 3 minus 7, what are the values I have put here? 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3. Now by calculation minus minus plus, so 15 3s are 45. Here there are 3 minus. If the number of my negative sign is odd, then there will be minus. You understand whatever I am telling? Here 1, 2, 3, there are 3 minus. If the number of negative sign is odd, then there will be minus sign. And if the number of negative sign is even, then here will be plus. Okay. So 3 7s are 21 and sign will be minus. Now 1 into minus 3 and minus 2 minus, so it is even, so there is plus, and 3 3s are 9. So 45 minus 21 24, and here 9 minus 3 6. So it is 4. And y equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now you put the values, minus 3 into 7 into 3 minus 15 into 1 by 1 into minus 3 into minus 3 minus 21, and there are 2 minus, so minus minus plus 15, here minus 3 plus 9, so minus 6 by 6 minus 1. So x equal to 4 and y equal to minus 1. Okay.